today we are here again to learn a new Excel chart. Now today we are going to learn how to make a dumbbell chart or DNA chart. What is a dumbbell chart? A dumbbell chart or a plot can be used to visualize two different values in one time or to show difference between two different groups or viewpoints. It consists of dots, circles or lines. Now here is data of Indian smartphones in 2018 and 2019, and the companies are here, and 2018-19 value shipments are here. Now to draw, first we go to insert tab, go to scatter lines. Now we insert a plot. Now we select the data by right clicking on the plot, select data source, add series name. Series name will be 2018, and the values will be the shipment values of 2018, and the Y values will be the spacing values. Okay. Now here spacing values are the user defined values which are provided by the users, which is the plotting values by which this plot will be, this head will be plotted on the graph. Now here we'll do it again for 2019 values. Again go to select data, add data, series name will be 2019, the values will be shipment in 2019. Again the spacing will be the Y values, as we have defined. Spacing values are the user defined values. Now here our plot is ready. Now we'll format it. Now to do this, we'll remove the grid lines to make it clear, and we don't want our graph to be tidy or messy. We want it clear. Now we'll remove the grid lines. Again we'll also remove the y-axis. We don't need any y-axis here. We'll remove the y-axis. Now in x-axis we'll increase the size of the fonts to make it dark and make it bold to see more clearly. Yes, now the x-axis is clear. Now for plots, we'll simply right click on the chart, go to format chart area or format plot area, select the dots, go to marker options, go to built-in option, increase the size up to 25 and okay. Now do it for the same for 2019 and 18 values. Built-in, increase the size up to 25. Now the structure looks like bigger than the previous one. To make this look like a dumbbell plot, we'll make a line between them. Now to do this, we make another cell that is called error bars. Error bars are the values which we are going to take it from the data. The formula is the 2018 sales or shipments minus 2019 shipments. Here the values will calculate in Excel. We know how to calculate in Excel. It's very clear. Now we'll go to errors are calculated. Now we'll go to chart design, go to a chart element and go to error bars and go to standard error, because we need the vertical line and horizontal line here. Now we don't need for this 2019 values. We'll simply delete this from all the 2019 values. We also don't need the vertical line, so we'll also delete the vertical lines of this error bars. Now we only need this horizontal line. Now to make this horizontal line connected with the other yellow one, we'll go to simply select the float chart area and select the minus value, because minus value is here is selected because the errors are in minus. We'll also select no cap option, and here we'll change the standard error to customize error, and here in this error we'll select the values of error bars we have calculated in the Excel. For both positive and negative value, the values will be same. And okay, now points are connected with each other. Now we'll edit this point. Now simply go to format chart area again. Here we'll select the line, increase the width up to 4. No, 4 will be not good. Yes, 4 is perfect. Now select the color to black. Okay. Now our chart looks like a dumbbell here. Now we'll label it here, because without labeling we don't know which dot has representing something. To make it label, we'll make another cell called labels, and here we'll add two cells. Now in Excel we know the formula, that is equals to select the cell which we want to add, again ampersand and semicolon. Now we'll give the space between this semicolon to make it little bit space between the values. Now space and again ampersand, the cell we want to add, that is 2018 cell, that is C9. Then here's the formula: the selected cell, ampersand, semicolon, dash, semicolon, ampersand, the values, the cell which we want to add. Now this is the formula in Excel to add two cells. Now again we have created the label cell in label entries in Excel. Now we'll add this. Simply go to chart elements, go to data labels. Now here in data labels we'll edit this. Now format chart area, again close this chart element program. This chart element will close it. Yes, closed it. Now simply go to label options. We'll add the values from the cell. The values from the cell we have calculated this here. We have added the cell now. Okay. Now we'll remove the y values. The values are here. Now we'll assign it to the left one. Yes, assign to the left to make it bit clear that it is representing the 2018 values. Now simply we'll close it. Now we want to increase the size. It's not clear. Now we want to increase the size of this Realme Note to the levels. That is, we'll increase the size and make it bold so that we can see clearly. Yes, now it's clear. Now we'll do it for 2019 value, same. Just here's the difference is in labels we wanna add the values of the shipment in 2019 values. So let me do it. We select the data, format chart area first, select the label, simply go to label options. Now here values from the cell, and here we will add the values 2019 values from the cell, from the table. Yes, we have added the. Now again we'll remove the y value and we will assign this to the right side. So this will represent this right ball represents the value of 2019, left one represents the value of 2018. We'll simply increase the values here, same as the previous one. Both font size are in 16. Now this is a dumbbell chart. It shows that the representation, it is a representation of two datas in a particular time. Now this is a dumbbell chart or DNA chart. It is also called DNA chart because it looks like a DNA like structure. It has DNA like structure. That's why it is called DNA chart. Now like this video and also comment down which plot shall I make tutorial for the next video, and also subscribe our channel to get more information about this type of plot and also many other tutorials regarding statistics. Thank you. Subscribe our channel, Statistician Hub. Thank you.